Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that can enhance your professional growth and success. Identifying areas of improvement at work. If you're looking to excel in your career and reach new heights, you've come to the right place. But before we begin, I want to give a special shout out to our blog post titled Areas of Improvement at Work. It is an insightful read that explores different strategies to identify and address areas for growth in your professional life. I highly recommend checking out our blog for more in-depth information. Now let's jump right in. Identifying areas of improvement is an essential step towards personal and professional development. It allows you to become self-aware, acknowledge your strengths, and identify areas where you can grow and enhance your skills. One effective strategy mentioned in our blog post is seeking feedback from your colleagues and supervisors. Actively seeking constructive criticism can provide valuable insights and help you pinpoint areas that require improvement. Another approach is to reflect on your past experiences and performance. Analyzing your success and failures can reveal patterns and areas where you can enhance your skills and knowledge. Professional development opportunities such as workshops, conferences, and online courses can also help you bridge the gaps and acquire new skills. Continuously investing in your learning journey is key to staying ahead in the rapidly evolving professional landscape. If you're looking for a comprehensive tool to assist you in identifying areas of improvement and planning your professional development, look no further than BeforeSunset AI. It is an innovative platform that can help you assess your skills, set goals, and create actionable plans to achieve your objectives. So, if you're ready to take your professional growth to the next level, sign up for BeforeSunset AI today. It is a game changer that can help you plan your day without the hassle and accelerate your journey towards success. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.